Well, homie, I know what you're saying, no doubt about it, but I don't need no scrapes. I don't need no duck-looking belt. All I need is a duck-looking sail. Hey, homie, take care. God bless. Hey, Mr. Brad Monkey, all them boys are cooling off now. I'm still out here riding this duck-looking drugstore because I got this cowboy on the low side. Low side. Built for broadcasting. They sitting around now waiting on them 60 dBs and the duck looking to cool down. WZZZ down here this drive-through window. Hey, Brad Monkey, I'll rest my case gone.
Yeah, I hear it too. While you sitting on the side looking at these CDs like TVs, waiting on them to cool down, you still out there rolling like Bozo Road on that end. And that's a real super 10-8 style. So let's keep on with it, keep it on. Hey, Medicine Man, I just read the mail. I ain't going nowhere. All the time you were talking, I got the recorder up there running. I'm just reading the mail. Medicine Man, I'm gone now. Bye, 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 bye.
Bye. No doubt about that cowboy in. Hey, Brad, did you see me hesitate? Hey, Brad, did you see me hesitate? I still dropping it down like it's hot. Down here in the Magnolia. So you still reading the mail? Oh, WZZZ. Consistent. Let Doug look it in. Now. Where did everybody go? Hey, Brass. Bozo passing gas again. Tear gas mask. Put it on. What's behind me? Me and this old drugstore say, have a good day.
I'm getting a little distortion in my headset. Let me go get a Fairlight and put on this headset. Y'all take care. I'm going.
In there, hey, take care. Hey, Brass. He done cool off now. He got about 5 more keys and got to go back and cool off. Take care, Brass. Hey, Monkey, go ahead and see what you got on that Doug Lugging in distortion. WZZZ. And I rest my case. Hey, Brad Monkey, I'm still alive down here in that drugstore. Go.
But y'all say y'all not hearing it. I'm just hearing it. So it got to be in my headsets that I'm listening back in. It's not on y'all end. It's on my end. I'm out. Let's go.
Yeah, okay then. All right. Go ahead and find it then, Captain Bigger. You know what time it is. Hey, Brad, I ain't got to tell you nothing. It's your equipment, and you know what's going on. WZZZ down here in the Magnolia, still broadcasting with that duck-looking gas machine going.
I'll see. Bye. Bye, Medicine.
Bye. There, I hesitated, no doubt about it. Well, it wasn't no flute. Hey, Brad Monkey. Bye.
You read that?